In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shein website like a pro. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned shopper, this guide will simplify the process of signing in or registering and even changing your location settings. This should take no time at all, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to set everything up with ease. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Shein's website. You can do this by typing Shein into your search bar and hitting enter, or if you prefer, entering shein.com directly into the address bar for speed. Once on their homepage, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout. You should see tempting images of trending fashion pieces and categories neatly organized for your browsing pleasure. It's a visually engaging site designed to make your shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Now let's move to the next step, signing in or registering an account, which is essential if you plan on making any purchases or just exploring more personalized features. Look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You'll find an option labeled Sign In/Register. Click on it and a new window will pop up, giving you options to either log into an existing account or create a new one if you're new to Shein. For those registering for the first time, it's as simple as filling out your basic information. They might ask for your email, a password of your choice, and perhaps some more details to better tailor your shopping experience. Don't worry, this is a standard practice on most retail sites to ensure a personalized service. For previous users, just enter your login credentials and you'll be back to shopping in no time. At this point, it's important to note the location settings found on the account page. Shein's site automatically detects your location to show you the best deals and availability in your area. However, if you're planning to travel or if your location has been mistakenly identified, you might want to switch it. Simply click on your current location, displayed at the top of your account page, and a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select a new location from their list. This can help ensure the prices are accurate and that shipping options and delivery times are relevant to your area. And that's it. You've now got your Shein account all set up with your correct location preferences adjusted. It's a straightforward process, yet accomplishing these few steps can really enhance your overall shopping spree. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these initial steps can make all the difference in your online shopping efficiency and satisfaction. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.